We begin this bulletin with the big breaking news coming in right now. After addressing the BJP cadre in Bengal, Home Minister Amit Shah is now at ancestral home of Swami Vivekanand in Kolkata. This is also a museum and a cultural center. He is also meeting Hindu saints over there. Swami Vivekanand is a tall figure known for propagating Hinduism and its beliefs all across the world. For more on this, let's cut across to Anupam Mishra. Anupam, can you tell us more about what's on agenda for the Home Minister Amit Shah there in Bengal?
For a day, and he is right now in the ancestral residence of Swami Vivekananda. And behind me you can see this is the ancestral house of Swami Vivekananda, and he is meeting with Hindu saints inside this house. And earlier he has gone to Karyakarta meeting where he had addressed thousands of BJP workers who came there to listen to Amit Shah. And if you carefully listen to the speech of Amit Shah, it's very clear that the agenda he had set for the upcoming assembly elections in Bengal, and that is very much allegations against Mamata Banerjee of appeasement. And he had also hinted that Trinamool Congress had somehow spoken anti-national on the lines of Operation Sindoor. So these are the two things which he had hinted that these will be the agenda of the upcoming elections in West Bengal. And he had also urged BJP workers to go to the ground, to go to the voters and speak about the works BJP and Prime Minister Narendra Modi had done for the people of Bengal. So this is a one-day tour of Home Minister Amit Shah. Earlier he had gone to CFSL building, new building. He had inaugurated that building. Then he had gone to BJP workers meeting in Netaji Indoor Stadium, and right now he is meeting Hindu saints in the ancestral residence of Swami Vivekananda. And after this meeting, he will straight go to airport and go to Delhi.